I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline. I never land, just float a bit.
Hello guys, and what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another video. And it's been 10 months since Galaxy Note 9 was released, and like any other Samsung flagship, you can find it for as low as $600. But is it worth it? So I've been using the Galaxy Note 9 for well over 9 months, and it's more than enough to collect all thoughts and express it to you guys. So let's get started. First off, let me get some specs out of the way. The Galaxy Note 9 packs a Snapdragon 845 processor paired up with 6GB RAM on the standard configuration of the phone, which also offers 128GB of storage. If you want more memory and storage, you can crank it up to 8GB RAM and a whopping 512GB of storage. Now there might be some of you guys out there who are like, Note 9 only has a Snapdragon 845 and not the 855 like in S10. Let me tell you something, even though it does not have Snapdragon 855, you ain't really giving up on any performance. Powering up those monstrous specs is 4000 mAh battery, which can pretty much last a day if you ain't a power user. In case you are a power user who uses your phone at full brightness and always plays demanding games, you can easily get 12 hours out of this. Majority of the battery is used by the 6.4-inch 1440p best-in-class display, and also the Note 9 comes with a fast charger in the box so you can quickly top up your phone. Talking about the charge time, it's 1 hour and 40 minutes. Now let's head over to the camera system of this phone. On the rear, this phone has two cameras. First one is a wide-angle dual-pixel 12-megapixel sensor, whereas the second one is a telephoto 12-megapixel sensor. The rear camera is capable of recording 4K at 60 frames or 1080p at 240 frames per second. Now let's talk about the front-facing camera. It is an 8-megapixel f1.7 aperture lens. Here are some of the photos taken directly from Samsung Galaxy Note 9 from other very knowledgeable tech YouTubers. By the way, you should check these guys out as well, link given in description. Now talking about the I/O, we have the power button and the volume rockers on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have the Bixby button. On the top we have the SIM ejector tool. On the bottom we have a charging port, speakers and a legendary S Pen. Note 9's S Pen is the only Bluetooth S Pen ever on a Note device. First it might sound like a gimmick, but it's actually really helpful for using it as a remote control while taking photos. That's pretty much a video guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And this is Mohammed Bilal signing out.
I'm in love with the cocoa.